All right, this is the Somnipods from FitNexa. We have ANC, Bluetooth, LDAC, high-res audio, PNC to knock out the high frequencies, ANC to knock out the low frequencies. We have an app that has like sleep assistance to help you sleep better. These have an ergonomic design that you can be, if you're a side sleeper, it's very comfortable. So probably gonna tear this up, unbox it for you guys. All right, it's right out the gate. Get the case, very small, very light. Like a little hockey puck. USB-C charging right here. Open it up, and there they are. Pretty small, and I imagine they're gonna be pretty light. You have your left and right here to tell you what is what, essentially. And these things are tiny, man. I fear that this might get lost inside of my ear. That is my biggest fear right now. These things are tiny, bro. All right, I can confirm that this did not get lost inside of my ear. Here it tells you how to wear it. Hold at angle, insert in your little face, and then twist. All right, guys, don't mind Frankie over here helping me out with the video. So these are the FitNexa 3s in the case. You saw the unboxing, and the specifications that this things include are AI sleep coach via the app. We have 5.4 Bluetooth for like good connectivity and stable connection, SBC, AAC, aptX, and LDAC support. We have 12 hours with ANC off and about 6.5 hours with ANC on. Now, I know what you're thinking. If we're trying to get 8 hours, 7 hours of sleep, how is it gonna last along with us if we sleep with it? Well, it has ANC, the app. The ANC turns itself off once it detects that you're sleeping, or after like about an hour and 20 minutes. I think you can set it up manually, but it does turn off eventually to give you the extra battery life to carry over throughout the night. And once you need to charge, you do get wireless charging. The case has USB-C, and 10 minutes gives you 1.5 hours. So 10 minutes charging pretty much will help you through a nap, essentially. So these are the specifications of the Somnipods 3. All right, so let's talk about the size of these things real quick. These are 9.9 millimeters thin. Look at how small this is. This is tiny. In my unboxing, I think you may have heard me say that I was worried these might get trapped inside of my ear. But these are super tiny for the ultimate fit, or the ultimate comfort when you're sleeping. The size in itself is the reason why side sleeping is so easy, because look how tiny it is. You just slip it in your ear like this, and then you turn, and then it's sealed right there in your ear, and you can tell like it's just flush with the ear. There's nothing protruding like other earbuds that you might sleep with, and it's very comfortable when you sleep on your side. All right, so these things are comfortable because they're very light. It's got the wingtip right here, which is, so right here, this little flap, air-filled wingtips. It's got a very short nozzle right here that you can see. It's very soft silicone, and it's 3.3 grams each earbud. So you can barely feel this in your ear when it's inside because it's just so light. Now, another great thing is that these come with multiple different sizings and different tips for different fits, for different size ears, of course. And one of the things that really makes these things easy for you to sleep is that snore control where we have our passive noise cancellation and active noise cancellation. So with the PNC system, it's mainly coming from these silicone tips and wing tips to block out passive noise essentially. And then we have the ANC system, which is active noise cancellation, to reduce the low frequencies and noises around you. So PNC is supposed to eliminate or help reduce the high frequencies, which active noise canceling doesn't really do that great at. But then you have active noise cancellation to get rid of the low frequencies. So in tandem with them working together, it should essentially help with blocking out optimal amount of noise so you can sleep throughout the night or for your nap. I think I've been recording with very low audio this whole time. Yikes. Anywho, I have the Somnipods 3 in right now with noise canceling turned on. I can barely hear anything and I feel like I'm yelling. So I'm going to turn it off. And now I'm in normal mode, and thanks to the passive noise cancellation, it sounds the same. I still can barely hear my surroundings, and now I have 10 hours of battery remaining instead of 8. So now I'm going to screen record and show you guys what the app looks like essentially. So here you can see we have Somnipods modes. We have normal, sleep, and auto sleep detect. Normal puts it in Bluetooth mode, so you can use it for podcasts, YouTube, Apple Music, YouTube Music, Spotify, whatever. Use it as regular Bluetooth earbuds and take advantage of the high fidelity audio. In sleep mode, you can see now we have 11.1 hours remaining. So built-in audio for 1 hour, ANC turn off. Well, we don't have ANC on. So with ANC on, you can see there's turn ANC off after an hour. Okay, you leave it on indefinitely or for an hour and 15 minutes and you hit confirm. And then here we have ocean playing. So when you're in sleep mode, you are no longer in Bluetooth mode. You would have to turn this off, go back to normal mode if you want to listen to things outside of the app. Auto sleep detect. Pretty much it disconnects when it thinks you're asleep essentially. Not sure how it does it, but does. We have alarm at bedtime, reminders that you can add on here. We have tap controls, so right ear, we have double tap and triple tap controls. There's no single tap, probably to avoid like when you lay down on your side, it might tap the earbud, so it's probably to avoid that. We have Find My Device on here where it makes sounds. We have sound settings, customize your EQ however you want. Let's see here. Here it uses an AI. You can ask anything. Evan is your coach. Here we can have the health. It syncs up with Apple Health, so it can pretty much tell you what you did throughout the day. Usually it syncs up pretty good. Here we have sleep mode. So this was pretty much me at work on the midnight shift. It thinks I slept an hour and 23 minutes because I was so still. So yeah, there's that. And we can go back to a time where I actually got some sleep. 7 hours and 4 minutes, 8 hours in bed. It shows sleep stages, heart rate, HRV, and all this is synced up with your Apple Health essentially, which is pretty cool. And then we have nutrition. You can track this on here. You can track exercise. So there's a variety of different things that you can do on the app. So those are the Somnipod 3s. I think they're terrific for sleep compared to other earphones that you might wear, especially ones that protrude out of your ear and that are not as light. These things, they're kind of warm a little bit, but it's overall okay. I've slept with it before and it's been pretty comfortable. I think there's only been one time where I woke up and they were out of my ear somehow. Not sure how that happened, but nonetheless, these are great if you want to block out noise and just have like a well-rested sleep with white noise just all up in your ears, ocean sounds, nature, whatever it may be. These are very light and comfortable. They are $179.99 on the website right now. So yeah, leave a comment below what you think of these. Team Tech Reviews. Thanks for watching. Peace.